ERAP reporting, using VGAS, for the ERAP1 or ERAP2 gene. Select Sequence Analysis. The ERAP reference can be loaded from a VGAS reference file or a FASTA file. To load from a FASTA file, select the Sequence tab. Enter either ERAP1 or ERAP2, with no spaces, in the strain name field. Click the Load FASTA button, and select the FASTA file. Or to load from a VGAS reference file, select File, and then Load Reference File, from the top menu. Select the VGAS reference file, and open. The VGAS reference viewer will now be loaded, displaying the ERAP reference. From the top menu select File, and the Import Sequences. Check the Load BAM Files option, and then click the Load Align button, and select the BAM files. The BAM files will now be loaded. Once the ERAP sequences are loaded, click the Set Location button with the double arrows, at the top right of the viewer. The gene locations for each of the SNPs should be present in the grid. Now click the Set Locations button. Click the Coverage, Consensus button, at the bottom far right of the viewer. All the required default settings should already be set. Select all the samples in the box, and click the middle plus button, to add them. However, please be aware that the nav report grid can only contain a certain number of columns, although this number is quite high. Therefore, if there are a large number of samples present, the samples may need to be separated into more than one report. Now click the Update button. The coverage info for each sample will now be displayed below the sequences in the sequence viewer. If the viewer height is too small to display all the coverages, then the Padlock button at the bottom left will unlock the display. Now click the Nav Report button to display the Nav report. Then select from the top menu, Tool followed by Display ERAP Report. To save the final ERAP report, click the Export to Excel button, and save. The ERAP2 positions are left empty on the ERAP1 report. These will need to be copied and pasted from the ERAP2 report, for the same samples.